how can Twitter help your business? Twitter, similar to Facebook, is a social media site. It's a free social networking and microblogging service which allows its users to communicate with each other through tweets. I'd imagine that you've probably, unless you've been living under a rock, you've heard about Twitter on the news. People say, follow me on Twitter. What in the world does that even mean? Twitter is similar to Facebook, except that it is even more focused on marketing and networking. Okay, here is a Baltimore restaurant that is on Twitter. As you can see here, they have people following them. Essentially, what this means is if somebody on Twitter is interested in someone else, they follow them. So they've gotten 124 people that they know that are on their Twitter list. And then what they do is they communicate with their list through short little things called tweets. And they can use this to keep people updated on what is going on at their restaurant. But Twitter, the people that use Twitter really, really get into it, and they look at tweets that other people read. So think about it as a way to, immediately notify all the people that are following you about a special that you're running tonight. Or let's say that you own a restaurant, and Wednesday nights are dead nights for you. I guess I should say Monday or Tuesday. Say Monday night is a rough night for you, so you go and you send out a tweet to everybody Monday afternoon telling them about a special that you decided to run last minute and see if you can get people to come out for it. It's a way that you can get in touch with people immediately. The benefits of Twitter include everyone else is doing it, and maybe people in your local area aren't using it as much, but all the more reason that you should be, because Twitter is working really, really effectively for many businesses, and you absolutely should be doing it. Twitter is social media, and it's one of those things that people want to see that your business is participating in social media. It's going to help you move forward. You don't want to be left behind. Twitter users are very devoted, and they will check your updates and they will respond to them. You can communicate with your followers for free. Typically, let's say that you run a salon and you want to let everybody in your business know about a special that you're doing. Well, you would have to take the time to call them on the phone, pay for those charges, send them something through the mail, which can be very expensive, or you can use Twitter and communicate with them for free. It doesn't cost anything, just your time. You can communicate on an individual level. When you go and you send things out, to all the people, people have the option to write back just to you, so only you see the response. And then this allows you to communicate back and forth with people on an individual basis, which is really nice because, again, it's going to help you build relationships with your customers. Others have done it, learn from them. I would encourage you to go out and look at businesses in your area that already are using Twitter and see what they're doing and what's working for them, so you can go ahead and apply something in the same fashion to your business. Now, of course, again, Twitter is something that I know a lot of people get overwhelmed with very easily, and I would encourage you to allow an expert such as myself to help you with these things. Twitter can be really powerful. It can help your business move forward. That's something that I would love to talk to you in more detail about.